So what's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. As you guys can tell, we're in a different location. We're filming outside today. The reason for that is a little bit sunny, so it's like a nice day. I also figured since it's passion fruit season, it's about to end, I figured we would get this out of the way. My mom is also here today to help us out with today's video. We'll be seeing more of this space more. I am planning to do a little bit of a house tour soon. You guys will see all the front side and more of the backyard along with some of the dogs. So yeah, stay tuned for that. And without further ado, let's get started.
Últimos de julio ya están las bolitas moraditas ya están listas.
So like around June or July is when they're finally ready, and she said that you can tell they're ready because they end up purple. ¿Cuál color son cuando empiezan?
Un morado oscuro.
¿Cuándo empiezan?
Cuando empiezan es verde.
Verde? So they're actually green when they like start to sprout, and once they're ready they'll turn purple, and once they're like really ready they'll fall out naturally. Or you can also just pick them once they're purple. They grow naturally in different locations. She actually only planted one in one location, and from the ground they naturally sprouted out and grew multiple. So we'll go ahead and show you guys a couple of different shots of all the plants and how they look and how the actual passion fruit looks. And after this we'll go ahead and make some passion fruit juice. So let's get started. As you guys can tell, we have some ingredients in front of us. We figured we would show you guys everything that we're going to use to make the passion fruit juice. It's real simple. It's only a couple of ingredients and it comes out really good. The hardest part about making the juice is going to be the effort that it takes to cut up each of the passion fruits. Sometimes we sit around in the kitchen just when we're hanging out cooking other food, and we'll sit there for like a good 10-20 minutes just cutting the passion fruits open. It's definitely the part that takes the most effort. Awesome. So what we do to get started is all we do is grab some of our passion fruits. We put them into a bowl after we cut them and just collect everything, all the seeds, all the juice, into a cup for blending. We're also going to use some sugar and some water, just basic water and ice. Okay. You guys, and with that it looks like we're all done. Thank you guys for watching. That was so much fun to film and to edit. I hope you guys liked this week's video. I know it's short, but it was blast making. Thank you so much to my mom for joining me. Enjoy.